Across every air force of every nation, 21 B-2 Spirit bombers have ever been built. Each one costs $2.1 billion. Not the program, not the research, each individual aircraft. $2.1 billion before fuel, before weapons, before the $60,000 it costs per flight hour to operate. The total B-2 program development, production, support consumed $44.75 billion in today's money. For 21 aircraft, that is $2.1 billion per copy. For a fleet that could fit inside a single large parking lot. And yet the United States Air Force considers this a bargain. Because what those 21 aircraft can do, no other aircraft on Earth can replicate. The B-2 can fly from Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, take off, cross 2 oceans, penetrate the most advanced air defense systems ever built, release 80 precision-guided munitions across 16 separate targets, and return home, without ever being detected by radar. The crew lands, maintenance begins. And 30 hours later, the same aircraft is ready to do it again. Russia has spent 30 years trying to build an equivalent. Their PACTA program, their answer to the B-2, has been delayed so many times that the original engineers who began designing it have retired. China's H-20 flying wing bomber has been in development since 2016 and has still not flown a publicly confirmed test flight. America built 21 of these between 1989 and 2000. Northrop Grumman assembled them at Plant 42 in Palmdale, California, the same facility now building the B-21 that will eventually replace them, in a production process so classified that workers operated under compartmentalist security clearances where no single person possessed the complete picture of what they were building. This is that picture. This is exactly how America builds a $2.1 billion flying wing. From the first sheet of carbon fiber composite to the moment those enormous hangar doors open and the most expensive production aircraft ever made rolls out into the Mojave Desert sun.
Welcome to our channel Full Scale Manufacturing, and today we'll see the manufacturing of B-2 Spirit bomber.
We have confirmation on the laser alignment. You are clear to lock.
Roger that. Final torque applied.